How to change the function of the power button on HP notebooks. There are several different functions that you can assign to the power button of your HP notebook. This video will explain how to customize the power button based on your preferences. From the home screen, select the search icon. Type Control Panel and select it from the results. In the Control Panel search bar, type Power Options and select it from the list of results. Select Choose what the power button does. Next to When I press the power button, select the drop-down menu for either On Battery or Plugged In, and choose your preferred function for the power button. Selecting Do Nothing allows you to press the power button and continue using your computer. Selecting Sleep places the computer in sleep mode. Selecting Hibernate places the computer in hibernate mode. And selecting Shutdown will turn the computer off completely when the power button is pressed. When you are done making changes, select Save Changes, and your settings will be applied the next time you press the power button. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.